every once in a while, there'll come a time when you need to sharpen your utility knife blade. Usually this happens to me at home when I don't have extras. But sometimes on the job I do, from time to time, misplace my utility knife blades. So, what I'll do, I usually have a sharpening stone in the truck. So what I'll do is with a couple passes, you can easily sharpen your utility knife blade and have it cut pretty darn good. And what I'll do is I'll just run that across. It doesn't take much. I try to get that about 30-degree angle when I do it. And you will not believe how effective this is. If you are a real frugal person, you can get a lot of life out of your utility knife blades. Typically, I do not sharpen utility knife blades, but I will in a pinch. Like I say, if I can't find them, or at home when I never have extras inside the container on the utility knife. And right now, this is more than sharp. I do like sharpening things. So, and this is pretty effective. I mean, it's almost like you have a brand new blade. And I always use the fine side of the stone. That's coarse. That's fine. I always use the fine side. I like to leave the blade in the utility knife holder. And then I'll just put that right against the edge. At my 30-degree angle, about, or 15, or in that area. And pull it across and bring it down. Okay, let's try it out. We just got something here to cut. And you can see that's sharp. You can feel it's very sharp. Just as sharp as a new one. I can dice this all up. Not a problem. So there you have it. That's how you can sharpen your utility knife blade, especially for you homeowners when you never have replacements. You should always have a sharpening stone. You always need those around the house no matter what. And you can get away with one blade for a long time if you're able to sharpen it up. So there you have it. Sharpening a utility knife blade. It comes in handy when you need it to.